required for this installation. Gently remove AC control. Remove 4 10mm bolts. Remove head unit. Remove factory radio harnesses. Remove factory head unit from factory brackets. Remove hazard switch module. Attach module to aftermarket radio install kit. Match colors from aftermarket wiring harness to the colors from the harness of the aftermarket radio. Install aftermarket radio into the aftermarket install radio kit. Install the microphone. Install USB cable. Plug aftermarket harness into the factory wiring harness. Plug in the USB cable in the back of the radio. Plug back in the antenna. Install the aftermarket head unit back into the dash. Most importantly, do not forget to plug in the microphone. Reinstall 10mm bolts back into the dash. Install the aftermarket fascia back into the dash. Reinstall AC control. Mount USB cable in a reachable location, and voila! Now you can enjoy your brand new car stereo head unit.